Hello, I'm back. For so long, I am back. So I'm gonna full screen this. And yes, we are on this. I wanna watch that, but no. We're not gonna do any of this. I'm gonna do this after. I'm just gonna play this. Got myself a red drink. I'm trying to make as much sound as I can. Wait. What's it called? Frostbite. Red Frost. I remember Frostbite. There's other people here. Cool. I'm literally trying to make as much sound with my drink so you guys know I'm drinking something. Yes, Moonwalker. Most games won't let you moonwalk, but this game is so generous. You moonwalk far enough away from the creature that you want. Press F to pay respects, or just drink something, not loud. Oh, holy shoot! Out of my way! Out of my way! I'm recording a video. Those stars kind of remind me of how I would see if I was B. So I have some stories. Yeah, we're getting out of here. No, I want to see it. Wait, is that Name Freddy? But is that what? Is that what Gotham got for an idea of it? Hey, I can just walk away because you guys are entertaining it, and it's falls off the map. Also, if this is a little loud, wait, Sebastian. Okay. When I was younger, I could barely even type my own name into Roblox. Type F in chat. Type F. Type I in chat. Chat to pay respect for the people who have died in this game. In IRL on this video, type F. I. Wait, no. Fisk. No. How? What is this sorcery? This dead person here is the is basically flower fell first. Is basically flower fell first. They think you can just lead the murderous bear to a house. Help? Thank you. Yes, lead the murderous bear to the house. I respect you, bear. I respect you, bear. Hugs the bear. I'm actually not scared of that. Like, dude, like, who would be scared of that? Little kids, that too. Like, where else? Where are the other people? Like, where are the other, like, creatures? He's gonna turn around and watch. He's just like, oh, there's a bear. Die! So recently, I'm just going to my friends. I'm not saying anything's bad. I ain't saying anything. Except. But, but like, let me see. Like, my girlfriend, actually, she found this, and I haven't been on Roblox for so long because I couldn't fix my computer. I have tried friend requesting from Slam before, but it didn't work. So, yeah, this is boring. Yeah, right. I really, 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 really. No! Oh, we need to come here. 3 million Rip Stanley. We need to come here. Pay respects. Type F in comments to pay respects, please. I don't think I can type emojis. There's I didn't memo. We did it back! Okay. Stanley. Oh, I messed up. No.